Surat Al-Jathiyah, Chapter of the Kneeling. In the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Compassionate, the book is from Allah. Hameen. The sending down of the book is from Allah, the Sublime, the Wise. Surely in the heavens and the earth are signs for the believers, and in your creation and the beast which he spreadeth abroad are signs for people who are convinced. In the interchanging of night and day, and the provision which Allah hath sent down from the heavens, whereby he hath revived the earth after it is become dead, and in the turning about of the winds are signs for a people who have intelligence. These are the signs of Allah, which we recite to thee in truth, and after Allah and his signs, in what discourse will they believe? Woe to every liar guilty who hears the signs of Allah recited to him, and then persists in self-conceit as if he had not heard them. Give him good tidings of a punishment painful, and when he gets to know something of our signs, he takes them as a butt of ridicule, for such is the punishment humiliating. Behind them is Gehenna, nor will what they have amassed avail them anything, nor those whom short of Allah they have taken as patrons, and for them is a punishment mighty. This is guidance, and for those who have disbelieved in the signs of their Lord is the punishment of wrath, painful. Allah it is who hath subjected to you the sea, that therein the ship may run by his command, and that ye may seek his bounty, and mayhap ye will show thankfulness. And who hath subjected to you what is in the heavens and what is in the earth, all of it being from him. Verily therein are signs for people who reflect. Say to those who have believed, let them pardon those who hope not for the days of Allah, that he may recompense a people for what they have been piling up. If anyone acts uprightly, it is for his own advantage. If he does evil, it is to his own hurt. Then to your Lord will ye be made to return. We bestowed upon the children of Israel the book, the jurisdiction, and the prophethood. We provided them with good things and gave them precedence over the world. We gave them evidences of the affair. They did not differ till after the knowledge had come to them out of mutual jealousy. Verily thy Lord will decide between them on the day of resurrection in regard to the things in which they have been differing. Afterwards we set thee upon an open way of the affair. Follow it then, and follow not the desires of those who do not know. Verily they will not avail thee anything against the law, though the wrongdoers are patrons one of the other, but Allah is the patron of those who show piety. These are demonstrations for the people, a guidance and a mercy for a people who are convinced. Or do those who have laid evil deeds to their account reckon that we shall make them as those who have believed and wrought the works of righteousness, alike their life and their death? That is what they judge. Allah hath created the heavens and the earth in truth, and that each one may be recompensed for what he has piled up, and they will not be wronged. Has one considered him who has taken as his God his own desire, and whom Allah hath sent astray on the basis of knowledge? Let it go astray because they've twisted their own knowledge, right? And upon whose hearing and heart he hath set a seal, and over whose eyes he hath placed a covering. So who will guide him after Allah hath given him up? Will ye not then be reminded? They say there is nothing but this present life of ours. We die and we live, and it is only time which destroys us. They have no knowledge in regard to that. They only form opinions, and when our signs are recited to them as evidences, their only argument is, produce our fathers if ye speak the truth. Say, Allah giveth you life, and then he causeth you to die, then he gathereth you to the day of resurrection, of which there is no doubt, but most of the people do not know. To Allah belongs the sovereignty of the heavens and the earth, and on the day when the hour arises, then shall lose the workers of vanity, and one will see each community kneeling, each community called to its book. Today ye we recompense for what ye have been doing. This is our book, which speaks about you the truth. Lo, we have been keeping a copy of what you have been doing. Then, as for those who believed and wrought the works of righteousness, their Lord will cause them to enter into his mercy, and that is the success manifest. But as for those who have disbelieved, were not my signs recited to you, but ye were self-conceited and became a sinful people. And when it was said, surely the promise of Allah is true, and regarding the hour, there is no doubt, ye said, we do not know what the hour is. We have only opinions and do not seek to be convinced. So the evils of what they have done will have appeared to them, and they will have been encompassed by that which they had been turning to ridicule. And it shall be declared, today we forget you, as ye have forgotten the meeting of this your day. Oh, God, not mentioning them. It doesn't say that God forgot them. Your abode is the fire, and ye have no helpers, and that is because ye took the signs of Allah as the butt of ridicule, and this present life deluded you, so today they will not be brought out from it, and they will not be asked to make amends. So the praise belongs to Allah, Lord of the heavens, and Lord of the earth, and Lord of the worlds. To him belongs the majesty of the heavens and the earth. He is the sublime, the wise. And so, the hellfire is behind, and you want to set your bad deeds behind you, and your bad beliefs behind you. And so, and of course, asking God's help in the process. And then the final, Hamim Duar,